Assalamu alaikum. Welcome to Speak Fluent English. Wanted to level up your English? Then this video is for you because in this video I am going to share some basic versus advanced English vocabulary. Let's start the video. Start, comments, help, assist, try, endeavor, use, utilize, get, acquire, ask, inquire, build, construct, break, fracture, need, require, change, modify, hide, conceal, explain, elucidate, begin, initiate, buy, purchase, choose, select, avoid, evade, give, provide, say, articulate, eat, consume, end, conclude, stop, cease, calm, tranquil, rich, affluent, angry, furious, happy, elated, tired, exhausted, begin, initial, fix, repair, and terminate, keep, retain.